Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Clan here. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset your PC. If you want to sell your PC or just want to have a fresh start with your PC, just like you're in your phone, if you want to reset it because it's so laggy already, so here's what you're going to do. Go to settings or the search menu and type settings. Then once you are in the settings, find the word here, or you can type the recovery here, but as you can see, you will see it here under the system, and you can see the reset PC. So there are two options here, which is you can reset and keeping your files, and the second option is remove everything, reset and remove everything. So if you want to keep your files and just want to reset the accounts, apps that installed in your PC, you can choose the first one, and in my case I want to choose the remove everything because I don't mind of erasing all the files since I already back up it, and I am going to sell this unit. So there are another confirmations here. It says that remove apps, files, and then delete all files from the drive, delete packages and workplace. So you have to do is to click next if you are really sure what you are doing. So there are another reminders here. That's all you have to do is to click reset. Then once you click reset, the PC will shut down, and you can see here it says restarting. And once it turn on again, so you will see here so here you can see it says please wait, and then the process. So it says that this is resetting the PC or resetting the PC, and the percentage of the resetting. So you just have to wait. In my case, it took me around 15 to 20 minutes before it reached to 100%. But if you have older drive like hard drive or SATA SSD, I think it will be more longer compared to mine since I am using M2 SSD. So there you go, it is already 100%. So after that, it will go to another stage of installation, or I think it's reinstalling again the Windows OS. So it says here that your computer may restart a few times, so it's just normal. So you just have to wait, and again it depends on the drive that you are using on how it will take time. So if you're using hard drive, it will be longer compared to SSD. And there you go, we successfully reset our PC. So you have to set it up again, so depends on you and how you set up this, depends on your location, just like you are buying a new device or a new PC, just like when you restart your reset your phone. So after all of that, you might still need to wait for a few minutes, and then you will go back to your PC. So that's all for this video, and I hope that you learned something in this video. And if you are new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell below. See you in my next video. Goodbye.